Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are gonna do slime in a row. Okay, show the bags. So first up is this blood red one. I call it blood slime. The blood slime. The blood slime. Okay, it's kind of sticky, so I wouldn't recommend of taking it out of the bag. So I'm gonna stretch it.
It's a little bit dry.
Yeah, because I left it out too long.
Okay.
Look at it! Guys, look at it! Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it, and then hit the bell for notifications. Put the slime back. Okay, the blue one. Okay, next up is this blue one. Show it.
Put it over there.
Okay, show it, lady. Okay, this one is way better. It feels so good.
Wow.
It's a better one, and it could make a pretty good bubble, I think.
Yeah, some are kind of dry in some pieces.
Yeah, but most of it, it's kind of sticky. Okay, give me that.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll be right back. Don't you worry.
It used to be white, but I mixed in something. No, Caitlin, you don't need to wash your hands yet. You don't need to wash your hands yet.
Let's.
Yeah, I said you let.
It's weird. It feels weird.
Yeah. Oh God, this is sticky.
Guys, at the end of the video, we need to tell you some bad news.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, this one is kind of sticky. Being stupid. Bokoblin.
Like that.
Quack, 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 quack.
Okay.
Okay, let me shut this stupid thing. Okay, we're moving on to the containers now. This isn't open all the way.
Oh yeah.
This one is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna show you in a sec. Okay. So it's a glow in the dark, and I put some. Yeah, it's a glow in the dark, and I put some like silver sparkles in it, so it'll look pretty.
And some more little sparkles. I can see
There's some little sparkles in the glow in the dark. And it's really good, and it's not sticky. It's like moist.
Now which one?
This one.
Next up is this one.
Here.
It's kind of broken, the lid.
This one is so cool. It's really wet though.
It's really cool though.
It's wet. And okay, I'm gonna show you the inside. It's really cool, isn't it? Caitlin, you can't have that. Oh, yeah, the thing's broken.
There. Or whatever. It's still a lid. And
Okay, it's
still a capsule.
really, really, really watery.
What's going on over here?
Dad! That is weird.
Okay, now it's time.
Okay, it's time for the green one. This one is hard. It's kind of hard because I left it out. And it's like really pretty. Okay, I put some sparkles in it and some foam and some foam balls and some sparkles. They look silver with the thing. They look silver. They look silver with the on the camera, but they're actually gold, and it's green.
Yeah.
It's actually a darker green, but the camera makes it's actually really dark green, but the camera makes it lighter.
And
then for the bonus, we're gonna do this really bad one that I made. What's this? Can't see that.
Well, it looks like
It's this. It's actually greenish blue.
Go pick that.
That sucked.
It's like
Okay,
jello.
you just entertain them or something.
Hi. So it left some watermarks, which is not
Yeah,
good.
I know they suck. This
Okay.
one sucks.
Really
Like, so
dry.
much.
and
Yeah.
it won't
Yeah. No,
pop.
it's so watery. It's not dry. It's so watery. Look, it made like a mess on the table. You can't even see that. There's water on my finger because of that.
Okay, guys.
Okay, we're gonna
we
tell
have-
you the bad news.
We have bad news. So, Sarah, and we have two bad news actually. Sarah, go check out her channel.
It's Seventh Circle Sarah 1.
Okay,
She
and
changed it sort of.
and well, if you guys would think that she would be here, you might not see her anymore because she moved
She
away.
moved to Idaho, I think. Yeah.
No, it's not Idaho.
Yeah, it's Idaho.
and
They eat potatoes.
Utah.
Okay.
Utah. So they moved to Utah. And,
My cousins live in Utah.
And well, unfortunately, her two cousins, she has two cousins, but one had a baby, so we're just saying it's cousin. So the Child Protection Service has taken the child away because some lady, they came in and they said that they had to pick between Steve, which is Pete.
Not
Sorry.
Steve.
Sorry.
It's like Minecraft.
Pete, Pete and
Question of the day: do you play Minecraft or not?
and Pete and so she and her baby, and if you guys can guess what it is, if you guys pick Pete, you guys were right. She's been taken away because she picked, and she moved away because
Because she was being a butt.
yeah, she was kind of being a little stupid here, and well, first of all, she picked Steve, and they were really mad. They were in a fight, and she still picked them, and which was really sad to me. And I didn't know, and I just thought she would pick the baby because that's what I guessed, right, Raven? She
Yeah.
picked the baby. I was wrong. If
Okay,
you guys
guys.
guessed Pete.
Don't
Right.
forget to like,
Like,
subscribe, and hit the bell. And
Notification that'll be here.
yeah, notifications, and comment down below. Do you play Minecraft or not? So bye.